Good afternoon. My name is Marianne, and for my final project, I decided to build a CRM dashboard. And this dashboard helps users keep track of their customers and tasks, and it's in a centralized hub. And the dashboard presents the user a way to just build that customer relationship management data in a way that's interactive, measurable, and also dynamic. And it provides insight and analysis that can help improve strategies and communication. So I will go ahead and sign in. For the purposes of time, this does kind of auto log me in since I'm already logged into Chrome. And automatically it takes me to my main dashboard, which does an analysis of the data that I input. But we will first go to our customers table. And so here are the customers that I have currently in my pipeline. And as you can see, we can scroll through. We're able to view each customer and see the data specific to this customer. So we'll go ahead and build a new customer. I'm going to add my friend Anna, who has decided to do a wine ambassador type program. So she called it Anna on Wine, and we'll call her a wine ambassador. Wine industry, Anna at, let's say, on wine.com. And I'm going to not put a phone number. And I will put Anna would like a new website for her business. So the reason I did put a few validations is the main factor for me building this tool was my struggles in my past job, where there were limited validations in the forms that we used. Therefore, our data was not as accurate as it should have been. And so I'll go ahead and create this customer. As you can see, it does require a phone number. So we'll just put a phone number, and we're able to add Anna. So here we are able to filter through first, last name, company order, newest, oldest. She happens to be our newest customer, so we see here, and can view all of this information. If we had associated tasks to Anna, they would summarize here, and then notes that we have added. We can go in and edit as well, and say she is now the boss. And this will go ahead and save right here. We can then go to our tasks page, and let's say Anna would like a proposal. So proposal, and select that, needs proposal. I'll go ahead and select Anna, who has been added to the bottom of my customer list. We'll go ahead and just say that it's due sometime next week. Not quite sure what time. Since there's no validation, I can skip that. Provide pricing. And create this task. And it shows up here since it's the newest, and we can see the due date. And also here, I've added the create date just so we can also filter create and then update as well. I will go ahead and go to the dashboard, which to me is the main feature that I really loved implementing in this software. And it summarizes the number of customers. So I don't know if you noticed, but earlier when I logged in, I had 22 customers. So it is dynamic in terms of data. We're able to see the different industries that all of the customers that I'm inputting. Unfortunately, I only have so many wine customers, but as you can see, it's very interactive and can also be customizable, or I hope to implement that customizable functionality in this dashboard at some point in the future. But that is it for my presentation. I will go ahead and log out.
Wonderful work, Marianne. This is a very dense project with a lot of different types of data interaction and visualization and management. how many new technologies did you learn to get this doing the things that you wanted?
So I used Rails as an API backend and then React for the front end, but I also integrated Chakra UI for some components such as the form, React charts for the charts that you saw, or no, sorry, ChartJS for the charts and graphs, and React calendar for the calendar feature that was on the dashboard. But there's also a few other things, and I had a lot of fun just learning new design frameworks.
Well, you did great. This looks wonderful and much better than the last customer relation manager that I tried to deal with.